Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you a super cute bathroom DIY using simple wood signs that I picked up from my local Dollar Tree. Now let's get started. The first thing I did was cut 6 of my wood signs into 3 pieces. Each wood sign is just under 18 inches long, so I cut 2 6-inch pieces and I had one 5 3/4 inch piece remaining. The signs are thin, so I'm able to cut them by simply scoring them with a basic box cutter. I cleaned up my edges with a sharp pair of scissors, but you could also use sandpaper as well. They don't have to be perfect. Once all 6 of my wood signs were cut, I ended up with 12 of the 6-inch pieces and 6 of the 5 3/4 inch pieces. On my next 2 boards, I made a mark at 1.5 inches, then 5 inches, 5 inches, 5 inches, and I had 1.5 inches at the bottom remaining. I used generous amounts of wood glue to attach some of my 6-inch pieces to these boards, and I used those markings to help with placement. I let the wood glue dry for about 20 minutes before adding the rest of the 6-inch pieces to the opposite sides of each board. Once all of my 6-inch pieces were in place, I allowed this to dry overnight. For my 5 3/4 inch pieces, I'm gluing 2 of those pieces together. I only had enough to make 3 of these pieces, so I ended up using my 9th and final board to make a 4th piece. I'll need 4 of these pieces for this project. The following day, my wood glue has dried and my design is super strong. Here, I'm lightly sanding my design to remove any excess wood glue. Next, I added 2 coats of white paint that I already had at home. I had a few L brackets left over from a previous project, so I've decided to add those to my design as well. Wood glue is usually pretty strong on its own, but the L brackets will definitely make the design more sturdy. You can purchase small L brackets like these at any hardware store for just a couple of dollars. I purchased this set of 40 for around $6 off Amazon. I also found this leftover wallpaper in my craft closet, so I'm adding that to the design as well. Adding the wallpaper was a last-minute decision, but it definitely gave the design a more polished look. As you can see, I've spray painted my smaller pieces metallic gold, and I've decided to add the wallpaper to these pieces as well. To hang my design, I'm using 2 large nails. And here's how my new bathroom DIY turned out. I absolutely love how my new tic-tac-toe toilet tissue holder turned out. I think it's beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, Dazzlers, bye.